Good morning, students. Today, myself Alok, I will be teaching you some yoga steps. To, Today, I will be teaching you Surya Namaskar. Step by step, I will teach you. So, do practice at home also. So, let's come on the first step. So, we are on the first step of Surya Namaskar. First of all, stand at the edge of your mat. Keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palm together in front of your chest in prayer position. Now come to step number 2. Now step number 2, breathe in, lift the arm up and back, keeping the bicep close to your ears. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the tip of your fingers. So now we will come to step number 3. Yes, this is your step number 3. Breathe out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. Exhale completely. Bring the hand down to the floor beside the feet. Now come to step number 4. This is your step number 4. Breathe in. Push your right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. So now we will come to step number 5. So we are on step number 5. Breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Now we will come to step number 6. Now we are on this step number 6. Now bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly. Rest your chest and chin on the floor and raise your posterior a little bit. Now we will come to step number 7. Now we are on the step number 7. Take your body forward and raise the chest up into the cobra position. You may keep your elbow bent in this pose. Your shoulders will be away from the ears and your neck should be upward looking at the ceiling. Now we will come to step number 8. Now come to step number 8. Breathe out. Lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into the inverted V. This posture will be in the V position. Now we will come to step number 9. Now we are on the step number 9. Breathe in. Bring the right foot forward between the two hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hip down and look upward. Now we will come to step number 10. Yes, students. Now come to step number 10. Breathe out. Bring the left foot forward. Keep the palm on the floor. And if you are not comfortable, you may bend your knees if necessary. Now we will come to step number 11. Now we are on the step number 11. Breathe in. Raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit. Push your hips slightly outwards. Now we will come to the last position, step number 12. So students, now we are on the 12th step of Surya Namaskar. That is the last step. So in this you have to breathe out. Bring your hands down close to your chest. Join your hands, palm touching each other. So here your all the 12 steps are over. This is the final stage of Surya Namaskar. So I think you all have understood all these steps. Now I want to tell you some benefits and advantages of this Surya Namaskar. So when you do Surya Namaskar regularly, it helps in loss of weight. It helps in to glow your skin. It helps in digestive system. Digestive system will be better, and your blood sugar level will be normal, and it also improve your anxiety. It helps your body to detox. So students, you have to practice all these steps, this Surya Namaskar at your home, and make it in your daily routine. It will be good for your health if you practice daily. Thank you. Stay safe. Be healthy.